What can I do with this empty downy container? To my mind came some ideas, but I'm going to recreate a beautiful decor using only foamy bottoms and glue. First of all, I'm going to use Mod Podge. This is going to be the primer, and then I'm going to add some paint. Look what I did. I drew some leaves with the stems in a piece of paper. Now, using a tool, I'm going to trace it on top of the foamy. I wish I could have green foamy, but this is what I have on hand, so I have to paint it. This is a free members rewards paint at Lowe's. I'm going to use it to paint the whole container, including the foamy and the bottoms. I don't want my flowers green, so I'm going to use a mix of pink paint for the flowers. To seal the paint of the container, I'm going to add a coat of Mod Podge. But guess what? I add gold glitter to the Mod Podge, and that will add a touch of glam. With a pointed tool, I'm drawing the veins of the leaves, and then I'm going to be painting them with a darker green. I love the color of the cap, but I decided to paint it pink to match with the flowers of the container. I need more glamour, so using my finger, I'm going to give a touch of gold metallic paint to the flowers. You will love my idea for this recycled Nescafe glass container. What will be your idea? I will love to know it. That helps me expand my knowledge in creating beautiful pieces to decor. I prepare a mix of 1 amount of water with 2 of school glue to decoupage with towel paper. one of a package of rub-on stickers that I purchased at Amazon. I'm going to put it on the front of the glass and then decor around it with leftover materials in a vintage style. I'm going to twist this rope from Dollar Tree around the cap to cover it. Do you like it? I love how it looks already, but I'm going to put more decoration for the vintage style. But I will love more if you subscribe to my channel and give me a like. That will help so much to support my channel. Also share so more people can enjoy my DIYs and decorations.